Amira, Asfia, Yumiti kasi, kumusta kayo? Okay lang ba kayo lately?
Opo, medyo okay lang po.
Ito sa medyo tahimik ko sa klase, at parang naiilang kayo. May gusto pa kayong i-share?
Minsan po kasi parang hindi kami belong. I mean, okay naman po sila, mababait naman po classmate namin, pero iba po talaga pakiramdam.
Naintindihan ko. Can you tell me more about what makes you feel that way?
Kasi ko pong school, karamihan pa yung Muslim din. So normal lang magsuot ng hijab, magdasal sa oras ng sala at hindi kumain ng pork. Pero dito po, parang kailangan ko mag-explain palagi.
It must be tiring and isolating. You're adjusting to a whole new environment and culture. That's not easy at all.
Opo, minsan po parang tinatago ko na lang yung ibang parts ng culture namin. Like, minsan tinatanggal ko na lang po ang hijab ko kasi napapansin ng iba. Ayoko na po maraming tanong.
Thank you for sharing that, Asfia. It's very brave of you to open up. Hindi mo kailangang ikahiya ang iyong kultura. What you wear and what you practice is part of your identity. At mahalaga yon.
Pero parang hindi nila maintindihan. May mga jokes minsan. Hindi naman po sobrang mean, pero parang off po talaga. At kapag may mga school activities, parang hindi ako makarelate. Minsan, may prayers na hindi ko po sinasalihan. Pero nakakahiya tumanggi.
I'm really sorry you had to experience that. What you feel is valid, Asfia and Amira. You're in a space where it's okay to be different. Your difference is not your weaknesses, but instead, it is a strength. And you don't need to erase your identity para lang matanggap.
Gusto ko naman po maging part ng school, pero gusto ko rin po manatili sa pagiging ako.
At deserve niyo yun. You have the right to belong without changing who you are. Pwede nating pag-usapan kung paano ka mas magiging comfortable. For example, gusto mo ba akong kausapin ng ilang teachers tungkol sa practices nyo para mas maintindihan nila?
Pwede po ba yun?
Naman, I can advocate for you. We can also create ways para ma-educate ang mga classmates mo about diversity and respect. Hindi para i-point out ka, kundi para mas magiging inclusive ang environment.
Parang mas okay po yun, kasi minsan gusto ko na lang manahimik. Pero deep inside, ang bigat-bigat.
Amira and Asfia, you're not alone. Marami ring students ang dumaraan sa cultural adjustments. If you want, we can also form a support group. Safe space where students like you can share freely.
Gusto ko po yan. Nakakagaan ng loob, knowing na mas may nakakaintindi sa amin.
Always remember, you don't have to choose between your faith and fitting in. You can be both, proud of your culture and still be part of the school community. And I'm here to support you all the way.
Salamat po, sir. First time ko pong naramdaman na hindi ko kailangan itago ang sarili ko.
At sana, hindi ito ang huli. Let's work together para mas maging bukas at maunawain ang lahat.
Cultural identity struggles refer to the internal conflict a person feels when they face challenges in reconciling different cultural values, beliefs, or expectations, often leading to confusion about where they truly belong. Ikaw, what is your multo?
Duko pamian.
Arinula!
Like you, can share.
Go.